baby. Oh. Ocho.
Cover your stomach.
Pwede? Pwede?
Uli.
Pwede mo, baby? Babo? Hindi niya mga baby.
Mio.
Niyo.
Oh, my hand looks good in the camera.
Where you going, baby? Baba. Acha, come here. Baba. Baby. Acha.
Where's your baby Mio?
Acha. Babu.
Bye tree, family gang.
Bye.
Sing, Babu, what's that song, Babu? From the movie is that.
Bola bala tha.
Wait, I will focus the camera.
Babu.
Okay.
No, I cannot sing my throat is not
No, you have good voice.
good. I cannot sing. My voice is
Okay.
patay.
Sing.
I can sing.
Is biting you?
No.
Sing na.
No, my voice not good. I'm still having cough.
Okay,
Cold.
try.
No.
Try.
Maybe sleeping.
We try.
बोला भाला था सीधा सादा था मैं तो नादान था दुनियादारी से होशियारी से मैं तो अनजान था लगी चोट ऐसे मेरे भोले दिल को बिखर सा गया टूट के जो धागे से छोटा ये रिश्ते का मोती जुड़ेगा न अब टूट के जहरीले सपनों ने मेरे ही अपनों ने मुझसे है धोखा किया Done. Minyo, wait here, chinging, Baba.
Because I will get water.
I will go soon. Minyo, Minyo. Babi. Huh?
Kasi nagpalit siya niya. Ano daw mo na mo?
Tambal sa kilat. Parihami ako na.
Minyo.
Tambal sa kilat.
He said
Oy,
if you
salamat po, Riza. Thank you, Riza. Thank you. Minyo,
he said if you have this, he also has.
Yes, perfect. Oh,
Ano
babu.
to yung natang ng nani ko eh. Bago bili. Puntahan ko ni Bugna. May Bugna.
Minyo.
Bigyan naman ako daw ni dito sa Mansito. Buli na ko sa Mado ko na.
May kuba dito.
Ano naman dito?
Layo kayo?
Magkakasito siya.
Dito sila si nagabang si kuwan daw na.
Minyo.
Si Manny ba?
Minyo.
Mansito na. Pwede layo din sa Disano. Kaya layo eh.
Mga skin agad pa doon dito.
Thank you. Thank you, po, Riza. Thank you. Minyo. Hey, baby. Oh. Diba? Oh. You'll miss me. You will miss me. Okay. When I will come back, you'll be more grown up, na? At least the cats know, animals know which person is right and which person is wrong. They feel it. You feel safe here, baby? Oh. You feel loved here? Oh, my baby. Diba?
Isa gipit naman doon sintos.
Oh, my baby.
Okay?
Water. We got water. We got water. You know? We got water.
In Diarrhea, safe travels. Oh, this is from Negros.
I know.
Their house, you dance.
The one who did the live. I
Ah.
remember.
Thank you, Dai. Ugma na, in the Riza ko iba, apo ni Bidoy.
Papali.
Sa safe travel, salamat, day. O, tomorrow na yung travel, ugma na yung flight.
Minyo, where are you going, baby? Papa.
Safe travels.
Minyo.
I will just focus camera on you, ha? Because the title is all about you, like your last night here.
Focus camera on the Mew. Why only me? Baby Mew, na? Baby Mew. He's sleeping whenever he get chance. Oh, क्या हुआ बाबा? Oh.
And tomorrow,
My
bye-bye.
goodness, look at him. How?
Oh, that's my classmate. Salamat, Day Murphy. Salamat, Day Riza.
Diba? Micho. Puyo. Minyo.
Ay, plastic, ano gisanaw niya, koy?
Thank you.
Ikatag man ni Esperan direct, ako nang isa ilaga.
Put the baby Mew.
Sa iring.
Mew.
Kumusta man mo dyan sa Negros, Day Riza?
Mew, will you meet me tomorrow? Mamo?
Kaya gusto mo patambal.
Francis is a shaman.
Huh?
Francis is a shaman. He's a shaman. Shaman, may tawag kilala ko.
Kasi magpatambal niya. Ano na magkasunod? Sakto na rin po tinit pira rotas.
Okay, shaman, you. So that he will have girlfriend.
No need the baby.
You see?
Mew, no need the?
Grabe ni Mini.
Ano pakita, Vincent Day Riza, tanawa yung mga uyuan. Apuhan day, no? Oh, in Day Riza, oh.
Kasi magpatambal niya. Nana na oras ko no ako sa.
Oh, shaman na siya. Manambal ako nun na si Francis.
Apa?
Dako ay kwintas. Munong uwan, Francis.
Pagpahunok sa uwan.
Baba.
Pabiyak.
Ay, Ginoo.
Mew.
Okay lang, te. Naay mong lolo, oh. Lolo ikoy, oh, in Day Riza.
Ano ni kadi magtaon ni gianod sa.
Manambal na ko nun na siya.
Hindi nagpangoleksyon na ni. Koleksyon. Asa? Bisa nagbuhato no? Buwan na ni. Murabulitas.
In Day Riza, ask if how long you will be away or when will you come back to Negros.
Kaya hindi natin mabalik sa Negros.
Francis already answered. When are you coming back here in Philippines?
6 months.
6 months?
Ibasted siya ni.
Gibasted.
No, that's
Ne.
Kuya, wag agimat ni Mulo ikoy, oy! Oy, day, dagana kay galas lulo ikoy na. Nanay bago kwintas lulo ikoy na.
Pinalit ako ni kay 200.
10% battery? Am I sure? The battery is 10%.
good.
Charge.
See, you give little bit of love and this, see what happens. Did he knew me? He didn't knew me.
Patambak ko sa akong hawak lo. Battery is 10%.
Your cat. But look at him.
Then what you will do with him tomorrow? Again you will leave.
Treat him the way I'm treating
That's
him.
very, what you call it, Babu? That's a very cruel of you. You will,
You need to sleep and put him in the chest for at least 5 minutes.
see what he's doing with my cat.
Minyo?
Why, that's my cat. That's not your cat.
But he's more into me. Because he knows I'm a good person, see?
You're a good
They
person.
know. Animals know.
How about humans?
humans are blind.
Allah. How many? 5% battery. My goodness.
Close it, close it, close it.
Bye-bye guys. My battery is 5%.
No, baby, no.
Say bye-bye to them. My battery is 5%. Bye-bye. Battery is 5% already. Bye-bye. Any last words? For my life only.
Take care, everyone. Be
Bye-bye.
happy.
When are you coming back?
6 months, 7 months.
Once a year? Once a year only. Bye-bye. See? Ako sa ning ikaw na yo pa akong live ha kay murag 5% na lang jud akong battery. Ako na lang ng lo, akong bayloan og 300, timuho 200 naman kay mong palit. Ako sa ning pangon akong live ha kay ang battery 5%. Okay, pa-charge ako koy. Bye-bye. 5% na lang jud akong battery. Unsa naman eh? Bye-bye everyone. Good night.